Hi guys, Parrot Playz here. Welcome to another episode in Roblox in Piggy. Alright, here we go. Alright, gonna watch out for the sentinels as well because it was pretty crazy. Alright. Shoot. That was bad. Reset. Hold up. Hold up, reset. That was bad. Trying to do. But actually, you know what? I have an idea. Okay. Alright. Okay, that was just weird. Okay, sure, let's do that. Alright. Let's see where all the pages are. I'm gonna look for 6 as well and also escape. Oh, there you are, Rash. Okay, yeah, I think that was a better idea to do that. Okay. Just skip it. Let's try again. Skip. Alright, let's try this again. Alright, page in here, or, yep. Alright, that means we need one more then, I guess. Because it's gonna be the alleys. Let me check if there's any things. Hold up, before I get it, let me double check that I get it. Alright, I don't think we have to reset then. Oh, I see it. Yep. Three seconds later. Oh, what? What? What, dudes? What? Dudes, that's cheating. Oh, how did you? Oh my! This is gonna be in the highlights. Dudes, how did that? Oh my! Ridiculousness! How did the? Oh my! I am so confused right now. How did that teacher's skin juice? Oh, get out of here! Losing my mind. Dudes! That is crazy. No way. No way. Oh, that was just weird. How? Alright. Dude, how did that just get out of here? That is cheating. Oh my ridiculousness. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and yeah, I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.